What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I will tell you guys how to stream Streamlabs with no delay. Let's go. So first of all, you have to go to settings right here. Go to stream. Hold on, I'm gonna go back. See here. Go down, press stream to custom ingest. And then once you have this up, open Google, press go live, and then here you are. And what you gotta do is wait for this to load real quick. You go here, see you copy the stream key right here. And then after you copied that stream key, go back to settings on Streamlabs, then paste your stream key right here. Then you would want to put ultra low latency, so there's no delay. And then press go live and boom, you're all set. No delay, only like a 2-second delay live stream for using Streamlabs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully some of this helped you for future streamers, and peace.